Kids. Welcome to Circle Time with Knee-High Kids Club. My name is Miss Porter, and these are my students. This is Kobe and Carter. So, are you ready to learn today? Are you feeling okay? I hope you are. So I want you to come along and learn with us. And we're going to have a lot of fun while we're learning. Let's start off with a song. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I hope you're feeling fine. I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. Did you hear that storm that just came in? That's Miss Porter's house. It's walking and talking right now. We got to tell the house to be quiet. Be quiet, house. All right. Let's continue on with our song. I'm fine. How about you? I hope you're feeling fine. Let's do it again, okay? Come on, Carter and Kobe, sing along again. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I hope you're feeling fine. And I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. How about you? Hope you're feeling fine. I hope you're feeling fine today. So today's lesson, we're going to learn our months of the year. But before we do the months of the year, let's do some counting. Let's do some counting, all right? We want to continue on with counting our numbers because the more we do that, the quicker and faster and easier we will learn that. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you like that? Very good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Very good. Do you want to learn those numbers in Spanish? You did so good in English, so let's say it in Spanish now, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. I am so proud of you. So today's lesson, we are going to do our months of the year. First, we're going to say them in English. All right, you ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good. What month are we in now, Carter and Kobe? Do you know what month we're in? Do you know what month we're in now? I'm going to give you some time to think about that. Is it January? No, it's not January. Is it October? No, it's not October. How about the month of May? Yes, we're in the month of May. Very good. Good job. We're in the month of May. Now let's say them again in English. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. All right, you did so good with that. Now we're going to learn it in Spanish. Are you ready? All right, work your mouth, exercise, work your lips. All right, now let's say it in Spanish. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Very good. Now I'm going to say them in Spanish, and then I'm going to tell you what they mean in English. All right? Enero, that's January. Febrero, February. Marzo, March. Abril, April. Mayo, May. Junio, June. Julio, July. Agosto, August. Septiembre, September. Octubre, October. Noviembre, November. Diciembre, December. Good job. Whew, that was a lot, but I am so proud of you. And I'm going to give you 2 thumbs up. You get 2 thumbs up because you did so good. And Miss Porter, Kobe, and Carter, we're so proud of you. So we have a surprise for you. We have the Happy Shapes Hedgehog. Happy Shaped Hedgehog has 40 songs, sounds, tunes, and phrases. He teaches numbers, shapes, and colors. Ooh, look at that's my other friend. With all of the Fisher Price toys, they link up. Let's go ahead and open up Mr. Happy Hedgehog. Okay. Do you hear his friends? They're talking. They're talking to each other. Remember, hold your scissors with 2 hands and always get an adult to help you when cutting. Okay, let's see if we can unscrew him at the bottom. Now, with Happy Shapes Hedgehog, he is going to teach us how to play and count numbers, shapes and colors, musical fun. And he has 40 songs and sounds. So enough reading about him. Let's go ahead and start playing. All right, we're going to turn him on here. He has a high volume. That's the low one. Let's turn it up high. All right, let's count. Let's push these buttons. Let me hold it up. He has a string that you can pull because he's rolling. Hear that? Circle. I'm going to hold him close to my mic.
Let's roll.
Oh, he sings. You hear him singing? Then he lights up as well. We're going to push another button.
Heart.
Ooh.
Triangle. Square. Star.
Let me do square again. I pushed that one too fast.
Square.
Okay.
Whee! Let's roll.
So you can do a little beat. You can hear a little beat while you're rolling him around.
That was fun. I love exploring with you.
Oh, it just turns.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
All done.
Another song. Okay, now he has some rings on the back. That's his tail.
Let's roll.
And then when you barely touch him, I noticed that he does those sensory things. Like it turns on little songs and things. So he has a lot of singing. But for our parents, he has a low volume. So if you have multiple kids in the room, you just want a little quiet.
All done.
That's the quiet. See? So it is, see, it does play on a lower volume. Now, this retails for $24.99 at Target for our parents. If you want to pick an affordable learning toy and give them a little fun from just sitting down, one-on-one teaching, online teaching, or just some parents are teaching themselves, teaching children themselves at home. This gives you a break and little ones a break so they can explore by themselves, because children do learn through play. So I really like this toy, but this is a nice affordable toy. And I also like that he's mobile, where you can pull him around and just let them have fun. So, did you enjoy our time today? I had so much fun, Kobe and Carter. Now, did you have fun today? Well, I did. And I hope you come back and learn some more fun things with us at Knee High Kids Club in our circle time. So I'm going to give you a nice hug. Miss Porter loves hugs. We're going to give you some virtual hugs this time. Squeezes and kisses. And know that we are here to have fun and learn together. See you next time. Bye-bye.